Hold on to your seats, folks, because if you're a die-hard WangXian stan, this is the scoop that's about to rock your world harder than a TMZ exclusive on a Hollywood power couple. Picture this, it's a crisp December evening in Beijing, the kind where the city lights twinkle like stars in a C-drama finale. Our paparazzi lenses are zooming in on the hottest duo in Chinese entertainment, Xiao Zhan and Wang Ibor, and what we captured. Pure, unfiltered joy that's got fans worldwide ugly-crying into their Untamed merch. Yeah, you heard that right. These two heartthrobs just dropped the most heartwarming news of 2025, and it's got the fandom in total meltdown mode. Buckle up, because we're diving deep into the drama, the tears, and the unbreakable bond that's straight out of a fanfic dream. Let's rewind the tape like we're in an E! News special. Remember the Untamed? That 2019 phenomenon where Xiao Zhan, as the brooding Wei Wuxian, and Wang Ibor, as the stoic Lan Wangji, sparked a ship so epic, it launched 1,000 fan edits and Weibo trends? Well, fast forward to December 2025, and these kings are still ruling the C-Ent scene. But here's the hook that had us gasping. Amid rumors of a ban on public appearances together, whispers from Reddit threads claim government vibes. But hey, we're not here to stir that pot. Ibor finally broke his silence on Jean in a bombshell interview. Xiao Zhan? His like family, we've been through the fire together. Ibor spilled, his voice cracking just enough to send shockwaves. Fans, are you clutching your pearls yet? This isn't just chit-chat. It's the first public nod in years, and it's got that raw, Entertainment Tonight intensity where celebs bare their souls. Now, zoom in closer, paparazzi style. Our sources, think undercover fans at Weibo night events and leaked studio chats, paint a picture that's equal parts sweet and sensational. Xiao Zhan's latest flick, Gaji Town, or Leisurely Life for us international peeps, just smashed 355 million yuan at the box office. That's right, Zhan's not just acting. He's singing the theme song too, turning it into the ultimate audiovisual synergy that's got critics raving and fans streaming on loop. A movie made him a star, and a song made him a sensation. One insider gushed. But the real shocker? During a private screening party, yeah, we got the deets, Jean reportedly teared up while toasting to old friends who inspire me. And guess whose name popped up? Wang Ibor's. Eyewitnesses say Jean got emotional, wiping away tears as he praised Ibor's unwavering spirit. Cue the fan theories. Is this a subtle shout-out to their Untamed days? Or something deeper? The room went silent, then erupted in cheers. Pure heartwarming magic. Cut to Wang Ibor's side of the story, because this duo's balance is what makes them iconic. While Jean's conquering cinemas, Ibor's out here living his best adventure life on exploring new horizons. Think Survivor meets celebrity glow-up. We're talking Ibor wakeboarding like a pro on his first try, high-fiving buddies Ma Shi and Ryder Stroud, who couldn't stop praising his quick learning. His incredible, learns fast, and with more practice, he'll be unbeatable. Stroud raved. But the joyful vibes? Ibor chowing down on massive clams he dug up himself, almost as big as a steak, roasting marshmallows till they're gooey perfection, and even sleeping in a tree hammock with a 95% sleep score. It feels like being rocked as a baby, he laughed, his face lit up like a kid at Christmas. And get this, in a fireside chat, Ibor opened up about life choices, saying he's all about pursuing passions. Dancing, racing, you name it. Fans are eating it up, calling it Ibor's healing era. But the shock moment? When asked about turning hobbies into careers, Ibor subtly referenced John. Like my brother in arms, we both chase what lights us up. Boom! The indirect bromance nod had forums exploding. Diving deeper into the paparazzi lens, let's talk the elephant in the room. Those viral YouTube clips. Xiao Zhan bursts into tears proposing to Wang Ibor. Okay, calm down. It's not a real proposal, or is it? Wink wink, fandom. Turns out, it's a fan-edited mashup from Zhan's emotional interview and Ibor's APMA 2025 noms. He snagged 4, including Best Actor vibes. But the heartwarming truth? Ibor's reaction to Zhan's support was priceless. A rare smile in a post-event clip, where he said, "Grateful for friends who root for me." Sources say they've been low-key texting congrats, keeping that bond alive despite the spotlight's glare. And remember that Instagram post from a Chengdu fan? They're at least good friends. Jean showed up at Ibor's 2021 show. It's all adding up to a 2025 glow-up where these two are thriving separately but connected in ways that scream soulmates. Flash to the fan reactions, because this is where it gets TMZ-level chaotic. Social media is on fire. Wang Ibor finally talks about Xiao Zhan. Fans can't believe what he said. One vid screams, racking up millions of views. Threads are full of from trainee to throne, both in top 10 richest actors 2025. And the tears? Oh, the tears. One fan tweeted, "He made it through, and we made it through. Tears shed, pain inflicted, but we're here." It's that raw emotion that makes this news so addictive. Even international stans are chiming in. "They're so adorable, I'm in tears," from Thailand. And this is the greatest news ever, from the US. The Weibo updates? Jean's studio dropping a year together. Grateful for the encounter with cryptic WM hints, WangXian much. Ibor's T-China mag spread, join Wang Ibor for moments of joy and relaxation. It's like the universe is conspiring for a reunion. But wait, the ultimate shock drop? Whispers of a 2026 collab. Yeah, you read that right. Insiders hint at a charity event or joint endorsement, fueled by their mutual new beginnings vibes. Jean said in a clip, 2025 was a year of meaningful new starts. Support from friends means everything. Ibor echoed with his life balance talk. Fans are speculating. A Untamed anniversary special? A duet? The possibilities are endless, and the hype is real. Picture paparazzi catching them at a secret Rolex Masters meetup. Remember those 2025 rumors? Sharing laughs over old memories. It's the stuff of E! True Hollywood story, two stars who rose together, faced storms, 2020 scandals, and emerged stronger, inspiring millions wrapping this roller coaster. In a world of cutthroat celeb drama, Xiao Zhan and Wang Ibor's story is a beacon of genuine warmth. From box office wins to adventure thrills, their joyful news reminds us why we stan. It's not just the glamour, it's the heart. As 2025 closes, they're proving that true bonds endure, leaving fans happier than ever. So, what do you think? Ready for that epic reunion? Hit that like button if this melted your heart. Share with your squad to spread the joy, and subscribe for more insider scoops. Don't forget to comment your fave WangXian moment below. Let's keep the love alive.